best thing about BloQs for me is the flexibility, the range of machinery. It's got everything here.
What I actually love about BloQs is that it's so spacious. It really does provide a space where you feel inspired just because it's so big and clean.
At BloQs, I use the CNC machining centre and also the milling and engineering facilities. At this stage in my career, I couldn't afford my own workshop and the value of the equipment that I'm using. So being able to pop in and out and just pay for what I need when I need it is massively, massively beneficial.
We set up Building BloQs because there's no other facility like this.
I think sometimes, you know, when you're looking for something in life and you can't find it, you just have to go ahead and make it yourself. The idea was, let's make a workshop and let's make it available to everybody.
Pay-as-you-go is perfect for me because I'm not always using the workspace every day, so it just allows me to be flexible.
I have long-term storage here. I've got one of the larger containers. I also get deliveries here and stuff gets shipped out from here.
The community here at BloQs is really what makes it. The fantastic people I've had the opportunity to meet, it really makes it worth it for me.
I can't bypass the café.
It's really easy to join Building BloQs. It's as simple as signing up for free online, booking your first safety assessment. After that, it's pay-as-you-go access to the workshop you need when you need it.
BloQs has got its own unique vibe that you kind of need to be here and feel out yourself. I suggest you come and find out.